Hello fellow trans lovers, I'm your girl Lady, bringing you the hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, welcome, and please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, also leave a comment below. So Siyabonga Hadebe is behind bars for alleged drink and driving over the weekend at Zuma in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal. He was also involved in a car crash and nearly killed someone because he was allegedly drunk. Most of you will remember Siabi took it to Instagram to apologize to his baby mama, Ulerato Mvelase, who plays on Isibaya, that plays on Mzansi Magic weekdays at 8:30 for his bad behavior, which led them breaking up. This is really very bad news, guys, for this guy, and yes, Siabi is in trouble basically. Uzalo Mangcobo, whose real name is Thandeka Don King, took it to social media that her marriage didn't work out and were actually going through divorce. But guys, what's triggering me is that I've seen her with another guy. She's actually taking some pictures, more pictures with the nowadays. She was also seen with at baby Tele's traditional wedding, and they were actually wearing matching outfits. That is Mlungisi Duncan, which is known as Nongoloza, also plays on Uzalo, that plays weekdays on SABC1 at 8:30. So is this Mangcobo's new bae? You guys leave a comment below and tell me if you know this and if you noticed. Congratulations to Naak Musiq, who just bought a new house, and he also posted on his Instagram page. He captioned, "My castle, I'm king." So just congratulations to you, Naak. We love you. I'm out, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, also share with your family members. I'm out till next time.